Hello, dear students. Welcome to Hybrid Learning. Now, this is part 5 of the Grade 10 CBSE revision section. So, let's get started. Today, we are going to do the sample paper 2025. Today, we will be solving question number 30 to 34 of section B, which consists of physics questions only. So, the first question is question number 30. Marks are given here as mentioned, 1 mark accordingly. And please pause the video, try to solve the question yourself, and then proceed for the answers. That will help you in your revision purpose as well. Okay. So question number 30. Arnab was making notes and he wrote down the following statement from its understanding of reflection from curved surfaces. Concave mirrors can produce both real and virtual image depending on the position of the object. Now that is correct because concave mirrors can produce both real and virtual images. Convex mirrors always produce real inverted images regardless of the object's position. Now, this is wrong because convex mirrors always produce virtual and erect image. In both concave and convex mirror, the image location can be determined using the mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Yes, now this is a very universal formula because it is applicable for both the concave and convex mirrors. So yes, this will be applicable. So my 1 and 3 both are correct. So we can mark the correct option as option number 3, option number D. Next, choose the correct option from below which explains the reason for us to perceive the day sky as blue. Now understand, scattering of light happens when we see the blue light. The sky, the color of the sky is blue. The phenomenon is scattering of light. So basically what happens when sunlight enters the atmosphere? So there are tiny gas molecules. So all the colors, sunlight has all the colors. Now all the colors get scattered. Okay, but our eyes are more sensitive and more, it can perceive more the blue color. As a result, we can see blue color throughout the sky. Okay, now violet is also there, right? It is also shorter wavelength. It can also get scattered, but our eyes are more sensitive to blue light. That is why we will see the blue color mainly. So as per the option, if you can see here, as sunlight passes through the atmosphere, shorter wavelengths such as blue are scattered more than other colors. So yes, this is the correct option here. Next, assertion and reason. So the assertion given, the point object is placed at a distance of 26 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 26 centimeter. The image will not form at infinity. Now this is a convex mirror, right? So the focal length should be plus 26 centimeter, right? And it's given 26 centimeter, the object is placed. So U should be minus 26 centimeter. Let's try to calculate the image position. Now, since it's a mirror, so my mirror formula is 1 by f is 1 by v plus 1 by u. So, my 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. So, this is 1 by 26 and this is minus. It's already minus is there. So, it is plus. So, that's 2 by 26 or v will be 26 by 2. That is 13 centimeter. So it is positive, means obviously it will be formed behind the mirror, so it will be virtual. So definitely it is not forming at infinity. So they have given the object will not form at infinity. This is correct. From the above system, the equation 1 by f is 1 by v plus 1 by u gives v is equal to infinity. So obviously v is not giving us infinity. So obviously this is wrong, right? So the correct option will be A is true, but R is false. Let's go to the next question. Question number 33, which is 2 marks because it's mentioned here. The above image shows the formation of an image with an optical instrument. So this is the rectangle, which is schematically given, right? Identify the optical image in the instrument given in the image. What type of image is formed in this case? Based on the measurement given in the image, calculate the focal length of the instrument. Now you have to identify this, right? Now you can see that this is obviously a diminished and virtual image, right? So it will be what? What it can be that you have to identify, right? It can be a concave lens. No, you can also say that why it is concave lens, it could be a concave mirror also. Yes, if it is mirror, it will also be virtual and erect, but you have to see where it is formed. It is since it is formed in the front of the object, right? So it is like in the same side as that of the object. The image is formed same side as the object. As a result, this will be a concave lens. What type of image is formed? Obviously, it is virtual and erect, as you can see here, diminished as well. Based on the measurement. Now let's see. U is given as minus 20 centimeter and V is given as minus 10 centimeter. So U is my object distance, V is my image distance. Now I need to calculate the focal length. Okay, so this is a lens. So my formula will be 1 by F is 1 by V minus 1 by U. Let's substitute, that is minus 1 by plus 1 by 20. Now you can do your calculations. So that's 20, that's minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 by 20, or my focal length is given by minus 20 centimeter. Okay, I hope you understood this question. Next one is question number 34. This is the circuit given. Find out the following in the circuit given in the figure. Effective resistance of two 8-ohm resistors. So these two. So they're asking for these two. So from the diagram itself, you can understand that this is a parallel combination, right? So let's first calculate. For number one, we'll use the direct formula 1 by Rp as 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So here R1 and R2 both are 8. So that's 2 by 8, 1 by 4, or Rp is 4 ohm. Please don't forget to write the SI unit. Next, number 2, current flowing through the 4 ohm resistor, which is this. Okay, so now after we find out this resistance, effective resistance, so this is like, here you will have 4 ohm resistor. Okay, now obviously this 4 ohm with this 4 ohm, which is the effective one, both are in series. So let's first calculate the total resistance now. So now the total resistance will be given by, I'm writing it as RT. You can use any other notation, whatever you want. So this is 4 ohm plus 4 ohm, that is 8 ohm, right? So now let's calculate the total current flowing through the circuit. So the total current, so we will use our Ohm's law, V is equal to IR or I is equal to V by R. So V by RT. So what is my V given? 8 volt. So 8 divided by 8, that is 1 ampere. Now, since you can understand, both of them are in series. Now, in case of series combination, what happens? The same current flows through the whole circuit, right? So, the current flowing through the 4 ohm resistor will also be 1 ampere. Okay? I hope you understood this question. Please try to do the question, pause the video, try to attempt it, then check the answer. Let me know if you have any doubt. Subscribe the channel and hit a like in the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take